Want to add subtitles to your video? It's super easy in Adobe Premiere Rush. And here's how to do it. First, open your project in Adobe Premiere Rush and click on the text tool. Choose Add Text and type your subtitle text. Next, adjust the text style, size, and position. Then drag it to the timeline where you want the subtitles to appear. Adjust the timing of your subtitles to sync them with the audio by dragging them along the timeline. Let me know in the comments if you have added subtitles to your video. Now your video is even more accessible. Play around with different fonts and styles to make your subtitles stand out. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.